Hey everyone, today I'm making some homemade cheeseburger mac. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've got ground round here, I've got butter, cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, heavy whipping cream, and I've also got some whole grain pasta, and we'll be putting in a little bit of pepper and also 4 cups of water. So we're just going to get started by browning up our ground round. I'm going to be using about a pound of that, and I'm going to be cooking mine here in this Dutch oven, but you can also use a really big skillet. I really love how quickly this recipe comes together. It's going to be done in about 30 minutes or less. And I like using this ground round because it doesn't have a whole lot of fat in it, so I don't have to drain it off or anything. And so I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings while it's cooking so it can kind of fuse into that meat. I've got a couple teaspoons of salt. I'm going to use a couple teaspoons of chili powder, and then I'm going to put in some onion powder, garlic powder, and some fresh ground black pepper. I love to use the freshly ground black pepper. So I got a pepper mill several years ago, and it just makes such a difference in the taste of it. We just really love it, and we use that freshly ground for pretty much everything. And so I'm just going to get this cooked up and browned up really good, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the other ingredients except for the cheese and the cream. And you're just going to let it cook for as long as the pasta box says. So mine is 13 minutes, so it's going to cook that long. And I like using this whole wheat einkorn pasta, but you can use whatever you want. This is a penne pasta, but you could use elbows, or you could use rotini or something like that. So we're just going to stir this all up together. We're going to bring it to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we'll turn it down to about medium-low heat, and we'll put the lid on, and I will let that cook for the 13 minutes until the pasta is done. And while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get my cheese grated up. Just want like a couple cups of grated cheddar cheese and your cream, and you just want to mix that in. Once the pasta gets done, you want to turn your eye off, and then you just let it sit there, and it will soak in all that cream and stuff into the pasta, and it thickens up really good. And this is just such a quick, simple recipe to put together. We're going to eat ours with a little salad. I already had some salad cut up, and I had some ranch dressing made, and so we're just going to put this on a plate with some salad, and we're going to eat it up. And it's just a quick and easy meal for a busy weeknight that we have going on tonight. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for watching.